Okay, it's recording then.
Huh?
It's recording.
Okay.
So what are we doing?
Redneck sledding.
With a canoe and about 2 or 3 inches or more of snow. Yeah. You're like insane.
I tried to go surfing there for a second. Hey, that worked pretty good.
So you go again?
I got snow on my butt.
Yeah, so did I. And my arms are covered with snowflakes.
It kind of hurt though.
Okay.